Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm doing a custom-made ladder and put together a custom-made little heat forge kind of deal just to heat the 3/4 steel up. So I'll zoom in a little bit closer and show you what's going on here. All right, so here's the little baby. I'd like to thank Grant and the crew from King of Random for the design on these guys. I have a dual going on. This is my own design. It's just 12 by 12 bricks from Home Depot and like a 6 by 12 or 6 by 8 brick that's 3 inches thick. And I just made a jig to hold this steel rod in place. Tank's just about empty. But I just let this go for about 8 minutes, and the thing comes out white hot. Does a real good job of bending. And out here I got 4 examples of the ones I've done. It was a little bit of testing and trial and error on the first couple, but after 2, it turned out real good. So let me mount this sucker and I'll show you what I do. This is the jig I got set up. Watch out, Bob. This is scary work. So one of the things I got going on is these gloves. I bought the best ones I had at the hardware store because I did not want to burn my hands. Okay, here we go. Okay. Lock the sucker down. Bend a little too much. And basically just letting it sit. As it catches fire on the table. Okay, cool. So these things act like roll pins against here. Stupid thing. And then I take it out and cool it with the hose. And takes a little cooling, but it all gets done.